Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will be looking at the sixth step of the run payroll process, which is complete payroll. In this screen, you will see various details like the head count, loss of pay days, total earning, total deduction, and net pay for both the current and the previous months. You have the option to download the pay register for the current and the previous months. The variance report helps you to identify and analyze the variance between the current month and the previous month's payroll. Click Download Variance Register to identify the changes between the current month and the previous month. You will be able to see the difference between the current month and the previous month and the remarks against each difference. Once the payroll is confirmed, you can check the box Lock Payroll. Check the box Publish Payslips to Employees to enable the employees to view the payslips in ESS. Click Done and the payroll is successfully processed for the current month. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.